Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to sign up into application for the speaker Ultimate Ears Boom 2. You have to start by open application, go to settings, scroll down, click on the line email sign up. Now on the first line write your name. In the second line, write your email address. And in the third line, choose your birth date. And click Done. Then click on Sign Me Up. And check your email address. And click Yes, I want to subscribe. Choose your browser. And here we go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!